Step inside our store and see how easy it is for you to craft and bottle your own unique wine. First, you'll be welcomed and guided through the process of making your own wine. We will help you select your preferred service types from our wide selection of juice varietals and choose any extra customizations to make your wine the way you like it. You have the freedom to create whatever wine you want. Our knowledgeable staff is always ready to help, ensuring you find the perfect combination for your taste. Before heading out, you will also book a 15-minute bottling appointment for your wine. Don't worry if you don't know your schedule, you can book your bottling time whenever. Now you add the yeast, and we do the rest. The magic happens during fermentation at Urban Winery. This process takes around 4 to 6 weeks depending on the wine you choose. After the fermentation process is complete, you'll come back on your scheduled date to bottle your wine. This takes around 15 minutes. You can either bring your own wine bottles or purchase them right here at Danny's. Get hands-on by bottling your wine and corking each bottle. Don't worry, we have an automatic corker, making the process as easy as possible. And our friendly staff will guide you throughout the entire process. With your wine bottled and corked, you're ready to enjoy it or share your unique creation with friends and family. Step inside our Urban Winery today and start your own winemaking journey. From flavor selection to the final sip, we make it enjoyable and easy, only at Danny's Wine and Beer Supplies.